Instruction in social emotional behavior skills is consistent throughout all of our classrooms. One of the mistakes that we make is we tend to think that social emotional instruction is done by whom? The specialists, special educators, counselors, psychologists, social workers, and they take these kids out. And whom do they take out for social skill work? Usually the kids who have no social skills, and then they put them all in a room together, and and it works out well. All right. And they come back to your classroom and you go, "Where'd you learn that?" "In social skills group." "Yeah, who were your role models?" All right, so we got to really consider whether or not that's working. The other thing that happens is we as teachers, educators, and I'm a teacher, is we don't know what they do when they educate. What are they doing? What are they doing? So if you're doing a social skills group with high needs kids, you got to be in the classroom teaching all the kids a social skills group, and teachers have to be there with you, not going off and doing planning or whatever. I realize you got to get to the restroom and that's your only out, but come back and be there with them because this is something you have to sustain continually. It has to happen all day, every day. It's not a compartmentalized type of instruction. Every single academic task that you put in front of all of your students involves some sort of social emotional skill. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.